In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about gangs here in Bizarre Lineage and Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, gangs are essentially just clans, and they are player-made groups that unlock extra activities such as territorial control, gang contracts, and so much more, including exclusive rewards, which actually makes it worth doing. Joining a gang can help you progress way faster here in this game, but to actually create a gang, you just have to open up the menu down in the very bottom, find the little gang tab, select it, and then you can create a gang just like so. Now, you have to have a Roblox emblem ID and a gang name, which is at least 3 letters, but once it's entered, your gang will be created. And then from here, you can open up the game menu again using the spy icon and invite players as well as remove players if you need. Just keep in mind, if you are a gang leader, you do have to transfer leadership or delete the gang before leaving. Now, gangs earn fame points when members defeat enemies, so each enemy defeated is going to give you +5 gang fame, and higher fame is going to help your gang go stronger and more competitive. They can also capture territories around Morio, which will get you even extra rewards, control over areas, and additional bonuses for gang members. You can also get gang contracts, which is pretty nice. There's a whole gang contractor NPC near the Morio station. Just completing, these contracts will give you some pretty good rewards, like 3 to 5 gang points and common or rare chests. Gang points can be spent at the gang contractor shop, which refreshes regularly and includes stuff like stand conjuration essence, stand personality essence, lucky arrows, rare chests, legendary chests, and Dio's bone, as well as Dio's diary and hammer weapons. It really is as simple as that. That's everything you need to know about gangs. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.